Hey guys, are you all ready for our second free open test? So the second test is on geotechnical engineering. It will go live on the 5th and 6th of September. So as you might all know, so this test is completely free of cost. It is an open test where you can find out where you stand amongst other people. So this is a chance for you to improve your accuracy since this is going to be a like an exam setting. You can find out which are your weak spots and improve upon them, and also this will give you a chance to tackle new questions and find out how your conceptual knowledge is. So how to register for this? Go to our website learn.apscd.in. You can also download our app APSCD from Play Store. So here if you see, you can find out our free open test 2. The direct link for this I have also put it in the description below in the video and also in the comments, so you can directly click on it and enroll. So what you need to do is you just need to click on enroll for free, and if you already have signed up, you just enter your email ID and password or continue with Google. If you are new, just sign up here. So after this you have enrolled, all you have to do is just come live on, attempt the test live on September 5th 10 a.m. So this test will be available for a 36-hour test window from September 5th 10 a.m. to September 6th 10 p.m. And strictly you cannot attempt the test before or after this test window, and the results also will put up on 10 p.m. on September 6th. So if you go here, you can see like what is the time ticker to the test. So this is, as I told, it's on September 5th and 6th, which is nothing but Saturday, Sunday. And so this is the syllabus. So syllabus is on geotechnical engineering. It is as per the latest GATE syllabus and latest pattern. So in this new pattern, as you all might be aware of, we have multiple select questions. So as you can see, in multiple select questions, more than one or more than one option is right, which we will clearly specify in the question. So you can select multiple options like this, and the test duration is of 1 hour. There will be 24 questions for 40 marks. Just go to the link in the description and register right away, and make sure you come live on September, either on September 5th or 6th, to attempt the test. You can attempt the test directly from our website in laptop or in your PC, or if you want to attempt, you can attempt the test in app also through your mobile phone or tablet. For our first open test, I hope everyone got the chance to attempt. We had great feedback for the open test. The main benefit you get is you get to practice new questions which you will not encounter in previous year questions or any other places. After you attempt the test, you can also get to see the solution will be put up on September 6th 10 p.m. And also you can get to see your performance, like you will get your score, your accuracy, how many marks you have got, and how much time you spent on like correct answers, how much time you spent on incorrect answers. So all those details also you will get to know. So this is very important to analyze for you to improve your accuracy. The test results will be put up on September 6th 10 p.m. along with the solutions. The solutions also will be available at September 6th 10 p.m. and thereafter you can access the solution only for the next 5 days till September 11th only. After that you cannot, like, this test will get expired and you cannot see the solutions. So I would suggest every one of you to check the solutions before that time period itself, and only if you attempt the test you can check the solutions. Do register for the test and make sure you share it with your friends so that maximum number of people write the test. So just go ahead and register now from the link provided in the description. All the best for the test.